What's up guys, Joey here, Fugatech, and we just got the new OnePlus 7T here in the office. So again, we're not the first one to unbox this, but we got it here now, so let's see what's inside and give you our first impressions. So lifting up this really nice long red box, it reminds me of the box of the Oppo Reno. It was also pretty long. It's a long boy. I actually think this is basically like a red version of the box of the Oppo Reno because it's laid out pretty much the same. The secondary box here is also thin. Inside here we have manual, warranty, safety information, and an invitation letter. What is this? Oh, so yeah, so it's the typical letter that you get from the CEO of OnePlus. Very nice. Now we have the phone itself. Get that out over here. Hello, washing machine. So yeah, very nice. So we have our OnePlus 7T here in the blue color. Got that circular camera over here. This is not the Pro because that hasn't come out yet. So still we have a water drop notch in the middle. Let's put this aside for now. Now below the phone we have a clear case. So let's put that on. And our SIM ejector tool. This is our warp charger. So this is faster than previous dash charge. And the signature OnePlus red USB-C cable. Very nice. So pretty much we get the same build as the OnePlus 7 aside from the new circular rear camera module. We get a matte glass back for the 7T, which I like a lot more than the OnePlus 7's glossy back. It's not as much of a fingerprint magnet, it's not as slippery, and the texture feels really nice. It still does look pretty metallic though. We get a bigger screen than the 7 at 6.55 inches, which is also taller. Resolution is at 2400 by 1080. And yes, the 90Hz refresh rate is here to stay, and it's as amazing as ever. Also, colors are nice and accurate, blacks are deep, and it can get really bright. The front panel also has Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, which is nice. For buttons and ports, we get the volume rocker on the left side, the signature alert slider and power button on the right. At the bottom, we got the dual SIM tray, USB-C port, main microphone, and loudspeaker. At the back, yes, the washing machine camera design is here to stay. The OnePlus 7T circular rear camera module contains 3 rear cameras, a 48 megapixel main, 16 megapixel ultra-wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto. Residing in the water drop notch is a 16 megapixel front camera. You guys have surely already seen what the cameras can do, but either way, here are some sample shots we have so far, and yeah, of course they're good. So instead of stretching this out any further, I'm just gonna say, stay tuned for a full review of the OnePlus 7T as well as the upcoming OnePlus 7T Pro. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and hands-on of the new OnePlus 7T. I'm gonna be putting my personal SIM card in this guy for another long-term review, so stay tuned for that. And let us know what you guys think about this device in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to notice new future uploads, and be sure to visit fugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you in the next one.